Millions of flyers are being forced to change their flights. A live look now showing you that there are delays in Atlanta, Charlotte, and New York City from this map right here. The good news is that some of the airlines will waive flight change fees to help Thanksgiving travelers. News Channel 5's Brian Entin continues our live team coverage. He's live at PBIA where some passengers are already getting frustrated. Brian?
It's definitely getting busier out here over the last hour, and there are more delays also. You see there's people sitting over here in the terminal as they find out most of the flights delayed, maybe 20, 30 minutes, 9 delays right now, but some up to a couple of hours. You take a look at the board, we've got Providence, New York, Philadelphia, Charlotte, and like I said, they seem to be adding up more quickly. Most flights on time coming and going from PBIA, but take a stroll around the airport and you quickly find the exceptions.
As I was walking to the counter, I got a phone call from US Air telling me that there was a delay.
We came to look at the TV and it said until 5:15, so we had to go change our connection.
Audra Scott and her daughter stuck after their US Airways flight to Charlotte is delayed 3 hours.
They just started rebooking people because we're an hour and a half early for our flight, so people are just starting to trickle in. So I think it'll get ugly soon.
Agents telling them the big storm in the Northeast is to blame, and like everyone else sitting around, all they can do now is wait.
I don't like the getting there part of traveling. I like just being there.
The stress level is going to intensify. I think the bars are going to be packed.
Again, about 9 or 10 flights delayed right now. The #1 piece of advice is to call ahead or to check online to make sure your flight is on time before you come down here to the airport. For now, live at PBIA, Brian Entin, WPTV News Channel 5.